in hydra, and some of the birds are produced inside the body, for example spongilla. Okay, so birds which are produced outside, they will get detached and they grow into new individual. Internal bird, they will burst out and come, and then it will grow into a new individual. Okay, so this is the two types of budding, that is external and internal budding. Okay, so next is the vegetative propagation. So what is vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation? That means the formation of new plant from the vegetative units. So what are vegetative units, fruits and flowers. Excluding these two, other are the vegetative parts. For example, leaves, roots, stems. These are the vegetative units. Okay. So example can be buds, tubers, rhizomes. Okay, so here you will discuss the two types of propagation, vegetative propagation. First is natural and next is artificial. In the natural propagation, artificial propagation, that underground stem or roots or leaves, okay, that is grown, that is producing new organism, that is called as a natural vegetative propagation. Okay, so this can be seen in the bryophyllum. Okay, potatoes. Clear? And the next is the artificial propagation. So artificial propagation, the method, these can be performed by the method of cutting, grafting, layering. Okay, so this method also we have discussed earlier. Or micro propagation, but in 10th standard this topic was discussed in detail, that is micro propagation or tissue culture. Okay, so next is the storbulation. So what is storbulation? Storbulation is a new term you will see here. So see here, the series of ring like transverse constrictions are developed. Okay, so it is transverse constrictions are coming out of the body. Okay, so that segmented body in which the constrictions are coming, that is body is called as storbula. Further it will develop into new individuals, for example in orally. Okay, so this is the example of a storbulation. Okay, so next is the fragmentation. So in fragmentation, the parent body divides into two or more fragments to develop individuals. That is example is Spirogyra. So here one question arises, then what is the difference between fragmentation and fission? Binary fission or fission, what is the difference between fission and fragmentation? So one main difference